Here's a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Inside, you'll find a multi-speaker stereo sound system with a CD player, internet access capability, dual-zone air conditioning, OnStar emergency SOS, and much more. Advanced engineering features include a powerful V8 engine, four-wheel anti-lock vented disc brakes, driveline traction control, and electronic stability control. From its well-equipped cabin to its pickup-style bed, this Avalanche is a truly unique and versatile vehicle. See it for yourself today.
Visit us anytime at crainteam.com.
Go, go, go!